Butterfly! Butterflies have colorful wings and love flowers. Bee! Bees make sweet honey from flowers. Ladybird! Ladybirds are small and have red spots. Dragonfly! Dragonflies fly fast near water. Mosquito! Mosquitoes buzz and sometimes bite. Ant! Ants are tiny but very strong. Grasshopper! Grasshoppers can jump very high. Beetle! Beetles have hard, shiny shells. Wasp! Wasps buzz loudly and live in nests. Spider! Spiders spin webs to catch insects. Firefly! Fireflies glow like tiny lights at night. Caterpillar! Caterpillars crawl and turn into butterflies. Cricket! Crickets make chirping sounds in the evening. Moth! Moths fly to lights at night. Weevil! Weevils are tiny beetles with long noses. Praying mantis! Praying mantis waits quietly to catch bugs. Cicada! Cicadas sing loudly in the summer. Cockroach! Cockroaches run fast and hide in dark places. Earwig! Earwigs have pincers on their tails. Locust! Locusts fly in big groups called swarms. Stick insect! Stick insects look just like twigs. Scorpion! Scorpions have stingers on their tails. Tarantula! Tarantulas are big, hairy spiders. Silverfish! Silverfish crawl fast and shine like metal. Stink bug! Stink bugs make a bad smell to stay safe. Flea! Fleas are tiny and jump really high. Tick! Ticks stick to animals and drink blood. Glowworm! Glowworms shine beautifully in the dark. Centipede! Centipedes have many legs and move quickly.